Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy in the LaliCat antidetect browser. Let's get started and enhance your browsing experience. First, open the antidetect browser and click on Add Browser Profile at the top of the screen. Enter a name and description for your profile, then select the operating system you're using. The browser may suggest a random user agent. To customize this, click on the gear icon and adjust the settings manually. Now let's connect a proxy. In the proxy settings section, choose your protocol. I'll demonstrate using an HTTP proxy. Enter the IP address and port of your proxy. If you're using a free proxy, you won't need a username and password. However, for a private proxy, fill in these details in the provided fields. After entering the proxy details, verify them by clicking Check the Network. If the check is successful, you'll receive a confirmation. For additional anonymity, explore other options in the Advanced settings. Once you've completed all settings, save your profile by clicking Save. And that's it! You've successfully set up a proxy in the LaliCat browser. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.